Inasa na yung chicken! Inasa! Good morning, guys! We are here. Today, we're having day 6 of my dance class. I need to perform in Bacolod to get in a Sal Festival. And as you know, I can't dance and I can't sing. So, I have Karine here, my dance instructor, to teach me. Wish me luck. Mahirap siya nung una, pero after a while, madali na siya. Dahil pa nagagawa ko ng tao, malakas makamadali. Madali na siya pag-gets mo na. Kaya sabi nila, you need a lot of protein para ma-build yung muscle. Eh, hindi ako masyadong makakain ng protein. I need this. Like this.
I had salad again. And si Kaylin. Hi, Kaylin. We're here again. Pero wala si Shane this time. Hi guys! Leah here. We're currently in Victoria Court. Mag-shoot tayo ngayon ng content for my social media. Si Kaylin. Hello, Little Star Photography. Nagsiset up siya ngayon. Ako, katatapos ko na mag-ayos. It took an hour or more than an hour. Kumain pa ako. I am Abul. Medyo cool siya ulit. May hot tub dyan. Tapos mayroong pole dito. Pag may nakita kong pole, naalala ko si Kids. Kailan kaya siya sasayawan? Kailan kaya makita yung pole dancing niya in Ashton? I think we're gonna start. Lagay ko kayo dito. Time for our second outfit. Para akong burger. Hold up to.
We're at dance class again. Oh, I'm so tired.
It's day 9 of dance classes. Sana makuha ko na siya. Help me or watch me.
I think medyo masaya na ako doon.
Tapos na yung dance class. Tapos pala ko nakakalimutan mag-update after the dance class. It went well, I think. Tapos tingnan mo, sobrang sweaty ko. Oh my God. After dance classes, talaga. Palagi akong naliligo sa pawis. Tapos after neto, I'm going to my gym class. I'm going to the gym para either abs or butt. Para lumaki yung butt ko, tapos lumit yung abs ko. See you there. I have to tell you guys a story pala. Noong isang araw, nung nag-drive ako pa uwi, kasi I have this really bad habit na na-fix ko na because of that incident. Nag-drive ako pa uwi after dance class. Tapos, nahuli ako ng enforcer at 8 AM in the morning. Kasi naman, si ante mo, nag-drive nang hindi naka-seatbelt. So, yun, na-violation ako. I had to go home ng lisensya. Tapos, tinawagan ko yung friend ko, oh, girl, you won't believe it. Sabi ko, girl, you won't believe what happened. Nahuli ako kasi hindi ako naka-seatbelt. Finally, the law has caught off with me. Habang na yung pag-chikan ako sa kanya, biglang tumigil yung sidecar. Tapos, nabangga ako ng konti. Buti hindi na malakas, tumikit lang. Buti si kuya hindi nagalit. Tapos pinadaan niya na lang ako. Tapos ako, hindi na ako magdadrive today. I think I'm tired. Yun rin kasi yung day na nag-shoot ako the night before. Tapos, yung dance class ko is at 7 AM. So, I had to wake up at 6 AM. Kaya, alam yun, too tired. Wala na sa wisyo yung utak ko. So, I was making a lot of mistakes. So, I took the morning or the rest of the morning off. Tapos, I just got back to work mga afternoon na. Ngayon, palagi na ako nagsiseatbelt pag nagdadrive ako kasi ang hassle bawiin yung lisensya sa barangay, sa munisipyo. Moral of the story, guys, put your seatbelt on.
Guys, we're at the
Hawaiian shirt. So, pahirapan niya ako ngayon. Ano una kong gagawin? Crunches? Late abs day, pero gusto ko na magandang abs. So, kailangan kong gawin na. Bye, guys. Oh, bumakat na yung likod ko, tsaka yung arms ko. Dahil sobrang pagod. I like abs, but I don't like working out. Hello guys! Today we're going sa Bellon to get an Excelus for my snatch jawline. Usually, they require me to go without makeup. Kaya, hindi na ako nag-ayos. Punta na tayo sa bee farm para mag-farm ng bees. Still look good. Sobrang tago tayo. It's hot.
Ito ka nung 5 years old.
So hard! I thought I was just gonna eat chicken inasal. Sabi sa akin, kakain lang ako ng inasal sa Chicken Inasal Festival. Bakit namasayo ako? May isa pa pala! Nagdumi pa ako ng salamin nila. Inatasa na yung Chicken Inasal!
Hindi ka ma-hatchet. Ano na tawag park? Ha?
Tapos? Hello guys! We're here in Bacolod, PNC. Nag-chill lang tayo ngayon kasi may meet and greet later. Also, today na yung performance. Super nervous. Dito na wala pa ako nakakain ng chicken inasal.
Sayaw pa to! Sayaw pa yun!
Playing some games later on with her. But syempre, before that, we're gonna play some more songs.
Can you guess what it is?
Lasal Festival done! Bye guys! Thank you! We're here at Camp Pastuhan. It's a bit cloudy, which is great. Apa. Hello, Apa. Yip, yip. Pagod na ako. Baka okay na ako dito. Go lang ako ng TikTok, guys. Akit tayo dito ngayon. Takot ako sa heights, so... RD, ano ba? Kumaalog. Anong manok? Oh shit, it's huge. I think pwede mo na sa doon na yung highlight, I think. Itong shark head? Kailangan pag nagbo-vlog ka, maingay ka. Hindi naman ako maingay. Pag handshake na sila kay LeBron James. Yun si Sir Boots.
Ay, bagay, Sir Boots!
Bagay si Boots Cuenca dun sa taas.
Very bagay!
Hello! Field trip! Pupunta kami sa Mercy's Pasalubong Factory. Mag-field trip kami. Field trip! Wow! Pasta your model, content creator. Wow! Here sa Mercy's Pasalubong Factory. We're gonna have a tour. Wow! Another one.
If you want, you can go down later sa production to take a closer look with our products.
Oh, yes, please. Kailangan natin mag-hairnet. Okay. Ready na ba tayo? Wash your hands. Tapos na ako mag-wash ng hands. Hindi na ba? Guys, first time ko makapasok sa sa isang factory of some sort. This is what they call the ube piyaya. Tignan mo. It's going inside. Tapos they're rolling it. Wow. Piyaya! Sobrang init sa Piyaya flipping station. Pero I think I did it. I think I did alright. The Viscocho station. Piling ko mas madali sa Viscocho station. Konti lang tao eh. Ang ginagawa nila, lalagyan na ng butter. Butter. Favorite ko yung butterscotch. Dan na kami sa Mercy. Dami na yung pasalubong. Lahat sila meron. Wow. Field trip ulit kami. Hello! Hi guys! Welcome to Hello! Yuya Band. Dami namin. Mas matindi pa sila sa jeep. Sila dito sa Bacolod lagi. Dami namin gala. Where are the baby pigs? Ano? Bahay to?
Tinutulugan yan.
Parang di na safe yung niyan oh, is this safe?
Dito lang mag-step. Or here.
I'll be wherever. Oh, mukha nga siyang tower. Honey. Ano? No, what the fuck? No, what the fuck? No, it's honey.
Oh, honey. Oh, that's a...
Helicopter. Hey, bawal umihi dyan. Oh no, save her. Gapanaog. Save her. Totoo po ba yan? Think. There they are. Oh wow. Ang laki nila. Dito may child labor. Ay, ano ba talagang role mo dito? Kala ko barista ka. Kapag, ay! Ay! Huwag ka tatayo, Gia!
Wala ka bite.
Iniwanan nila tayo. Ay! It's so cute. Hello. Takot siya. Hello. 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 Drive na ako, guys. Matik daw siya pero may 1, 2, first, neutral, 1, 2, 3. Let's do this. Hey! Walang